everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to use this white socks and make a snowman. So put a ball inside. Now using this rubber band, we're going to make two partition and we're going to open the socks like this. Make the cap, similar way make the eyes, put the pin inside, make the muffler as well. Cut it from the paper and fold it, tap a pen and look, your snowman is ready. Let's make a creative craft. We are going to cut this cardboard and roll this white color of yarn around it. Now we are going to tie a knot at the center like this. Tie this knot and remove the cardboard like we're doing here. After this, we are going to pull it and cut it and make a large pom-pom ball shape and give it shape like we're doing here. Make two such shapes and we are going to cut the ears. Here we are going to make a bunny. So combine both of them together, sew it and put these eyes. We're also using these balls and look, your beautiful little bunny is ready. Take a small piece of cardboard and make multiple cut on both sides. Now we are going to roll this yellow color of yarn around it. Now take this straw and put different color of yarn inside it and weave it like we're doing here. Use a comb and we are going to make this beautiful pattern. Cut it from its back side and tie a knot on the loose ends of both of its sides. Now you can remove it and look, you will get this beautiful design. Comb it from both its sides and look, it is ready. You can use it in so many ways and look, your beautiful craft work is ready. Let's make soft toys using hankies. So roll this hanky. Now we are going to tie it using a rubber band. Here we are going to make a partition. So take this rubber band. Now we are going to fold it and take another rubber band and tie a knot again like we are doing here. We are going to make a dog. So we are going to cut the ears, paste googly eyes and paste its nose as well and inside a tongue and look, your beautiful little dog is ready. Similar way you can make more such soft toys. Let's make a creative craft using this socks pair. Now we are going to cut the ears and paste it on the top and you can also put these little threads like this. We are making a horse here, so cut all these strips and you can make this beautiful horse. Now sew all of them together, put the eyes and nose as well and look, your creative craft is ready. Let's make a beautiful hanging using yarn. So we are going to make small piece of this yarn and tie a knot. Now make more such small piece and tie a knot on the top of it. Put all of the pieces one after another like this and like this. You can pull it from both its sides. Now repeat the same process over and over again and your beautiful craft is ready. Take a scissor and you can cut the extra parts. Give it shape of a leaf like this. Cut the extra yarn. You can make more such colorful yarn leaves and make a hanging out of it. Look how pretty these are looking. We're going to make a flamingo using yarn. So cut a circle from cardboard. Now cut it from its bottom side. Now we are going to combine both the piece together and roll this pink yarn around it. Now using a scissor, we are going to cut one portion and tie a knot at the center. Look how we are doing here. Pull it tightly and tie it. Now we are going to put it at the center of the cardboard and tie a knot at the center as well. Remove the cardboard. Now draw the shape of the flamingo and put the pom-pom ball at the center and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please